In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from a Visa gift card over to PayPal. Now, this is a very quick and simple process, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, to start with, I recommend you head over to the Visa gift card's website so that you can actually check the balance that's left on your Visa gift card. This is because if you've got no balance on your card, there's no point trying to transfer the money over to PayPal. So if you head over to this page and scroll down to the very bottom, we can go to this section which says need to check your gift card balance, and we can click the yellow button which says learn how to check balance. From there, it will take us to this page, and from here we can see a selection of Visa gift card issuers, and we want to click on the one that relates to us so that we can check the balance. So if you have a Visa Vanilla gift card, for example, you can click this top link and you'll get redirected to this page where we can actually check the balance that's left on our gift card. So you want to just enter in the details, and from there you can click continue to see your balance. Now, once you've confirmed that you do have a balance worth withdrawing, we want to head over to PayPal. So once you're logged in, it will look something like this, and we're now ready to get the money from our Visa gift card over to PayPal. Now, I want to mention that you can't directly transfer the money from a gift card to your PayPal. However, we can add the Visa gift card to our PayPal. So that'll basically mean we can spend it via PayPal, and it pretty much works out the same. So in order to do that, you just want to go ahead and click link card or bank account right here. You can then choose to link a debit or credit card by clicking the option at the top. So it will now ask for the debit or credit card number, the card type, expiry date, as well as the security code. So what you want to do is go ahead and get your Visa gift card, and you can just put in the card number right here. For the card type, we can choose Visa. And of course, for the expiry date and security code, you just want to put in the details that are on your gift card. And from there, we can click link card. So from there, you'll be on this page, and you should now see your Visa gift card in this section here. If you can't see it or it didn't let you add it, that's because not all Visa gift cards are able to be added to PayPal. So unfortunately, if this did not work for you, then it is not possible to do with your specific Visa gift card. However, if it did work for you, you'll be able to see it in this section now. And whenever you use PayPal or send to friends or stuff like that, you can then select your Visa gift card as a payment method, and it will then take money out of that and it will use it via PayPal. So that's how you can transfer money from a Visa gift card over to PayPal. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.